Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use an XLR microphone with your PS5. It's simple process, so just follow along. Start by plugging your XLR microphone into an audio interface. You can use something like Focus, Scarlett, or any interface that support XLR input. Just make sure your interface has USB audio output because that's how it connects to the PS5. Now take the USB cable from the audio interface and plug it into one of the PS5 USB port. Once connected, the console should automatically detect the device. Turn your PS5 and go to Settings, Sound Input Device. From the list, select your audio interface, and this tells the PS5 to use your XLR microphone as the main mic. If you are using a condenser microphone, don't forget to enable 48V phantom power on your interface. Without this, your mic won't work or will sound extremely quiet. Use the gain knobs on your interface to set your microphone level. Make sure your voice is clear, not distorted, and not too quiet. To make sure everything is working, join a party chat or enter a game lobby. Speak directly into your mic. You should hear your voice clearly. For the best experience, plug your headphones into the audio interface so you can monitor your sound in real time. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.